Have you ever wondered how a single act can change an entire family's world forever? Suicide leaves behind a void, a ripple effect of emotions that can last a lifetime. Today, we're delving into the emotional scars suicide leaves on families and how we, as a society, can help them heal. The silent impact. When someone dies by suicide, their family members are left grappling with an overwhelming mix of emotions, grief, guilt, confusion, and even anger. Parents often question their role. Children wonder if they could have done something different. And siblings, they may struggle with feelings of abandonment. These emotions aren't just fleeting. They can lead to long-term psychological challenges like depression, anxiety, or even PTSD. The blame game and stigma. Sadly, families often face societal stigma. Neighbors may avoid them. Friends may not know what to say. This isolation adds another layer of pain, forcing many to suffer in silence. That's why it's important to break the stigma. Families need compassion, not judgment. Remember, suicide is never just one person's fault. Coping with loss. So, how can families heal? Seeking professional help, like therapy or counseling, is a crucial first step. Support groups can also be a lifeline, offering a space to share, listen, and heal together. And sometimes, it's the small things, like journaling, prayer, or simply talking to a trusted friend, that make the biggest difference. What can we do? As a community, we all have a role to play. Reach out to grieving families. Offer a listening ear. Share resources and encourage them to seek help. A little kindness can go a long way. Let's make mental health a priority, one step at a time. If this video has touched you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BD Preventive Welfare Society. Together, we can spread awareness and save lives. Remember, no one should face this journey alone. Let's be the light that guides someone out of the darkness.